In today's episode, we cover another player in the AI world war, the United Kingdom. Known for its iconic landmarks, centuries of history, and a legacy of leading the pack in modern technology. Today, we are delving into the AI stronghold that is the United Kingdom, and its influence on global military technology. Home to tech powerhouses like BAE Systems, QinetiQ, Celex, and Tasuma. Britain serves as an incubator for AI military technology. And let's not forget, this is the land where Alan Turing developed his eponymous test, a fundamental milestone in AI development. According to experts, the UK's edge in AI comes from its strength in several key enablers. These range from research activities and startup investments to digital absorption and human capital. The UK's Ministry of Defence, MOD, sees AI as the next big leap in military tech. This vision has already birthed the Taranis drone, lauded as the most technically advanced demonstration aircraft ever built. Then there's DARSA, the UK's answer to the US's DARPA. This cross-government organisation is actively seeking and funding potentially game-changing tech for national security. One such project they've backed is the Many Drones Make Light Work project, pushing the boundaries of autonomous drone swarming systems. While the debate over killer robots rages on, the UK's position is firm. The application of lethal force must be directed by a human, and that a human will always be accountable for the decision. With a solid foundation, a clear vision for the future, and unwavering government support, the UK is poised to continue as an international leader in AI military tech. Here is the summary of AI military developments and applications in the United Kingdom. Land. Mostly command control use predict enemy movements, analyze behaviors, suggest strategic options on the battlefield. May also be used for training exercises. Air. Taranis armed autonomous drone, the most technically advanced demonstration aircraft ever built. Sea. Royal Navy is testing AI's ability to counter supersonic missiles. The UK's Defence and Science Accelerator, DASA, has funded early development of smart ships with onboard AI capable of supportive decision-making during pre-mission preparation, mission execution and post-mission analysis, as well as engineering crew support. The targeted integration date for this technology is 2030. Command and Control. Autonomy program, aimed at researching algorithm development, artificial intelligence, and machine learning for military use. Information warfare. Unknown. Strengths. Home to some of the most advanced robotics and technology development corporations in the world, private-public partnership has been normalized in the field of AI development partnerships with two other AI leaders, Israel and the US. Well-defined developmental plans and goals for AI technology, actively interested Parliament. Weakness. Despite its massive potential for AI developmental success and political interest in such advancements, UK has struggled to capitalize thus far and has not seen the major military or economic benefits it is capable of fostering. That's it for today, folks. If you're excited about the future of military application of AI as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content.